Hello everyone. Good morning to you all. This is Nisha from Subramaniya Vidyasalai. I am your English teacher. As usual, today we are going to look at a lesson here. At the last class, we have done a paper, and also in today's class, we also do a paper, right? So I have sent the paper through the Viber group. Now I'm going to describe or explain the paper to you all. So, my dear children, stay tuned with me. Now, I'm going to share my presentation with you all. Now, you can see my presentation uh, with a PowerPoint presentation with slideshows, right? Okay, these are the slides I have prepared for you for today's class, right? Um, in your paper, the first activity is underline the correct word. So, this is your first activity in that particular paper, which I have sent into the Viber group, right? So, I hope you all have done the paper here. So, my dear children, please check your answers whether it is correct or not. If your answer is correct, put the right mark with a red pen or any others. And if your answer is wrong, please cut out and write the correct answer. Right? Okay, I hope you all understood my thought, right? Okay, underline the correct word. The first question has three word, right? Three word. It has same format, right? The first word, platform, platform, platform. The same pronunciation. They have the same pronunciation, but the spelling is wrong, right? So here we have three word in same pronunciation, but we should underline the correct answer, right? So, my dear children, think yourself which is the correct answer. The first one, platform, platform, platform. Same pronunciation, no? So here you should check the spelling, right? Now, okay, this is the correct answer. Platform, platform. Say it again with me. Platform, right? Platform. And the second question also has three words. Airport, no, airport, airport, airport. So here the pronunciation difference. So by the pronunciation, we can identify the correct answer. So airport, airport, airport. So which is correct? Here also the second answer is correct. Airport. Right? AIRPORT. Airport. Next word, campaign, campaign, campaign. Right? These words are same in same pronunciation. Here we should make sure on the spelling. Campaign, campaign, campaign. So the correct answer is right. My dear students, in your book, we have a notice to do Siramadana. On that notice, the title is about a campaign, right? So here, CAMPAIGN. So CO, not here. The word should be corrected. CAMPAIGN. campaign, right? Campaign. And the next question has three words: carpage, cargage, garbage. Once again, carpage, cargage, garbage. So which is correct? With the pronunciation, we can easily identify the correct word. So the correct word is garbage, right? Say it again: garbage. Carpage, not cargage, wrong, and garbage is correct. Garbage, right? Garbage. And the next question has a place: umpire, right? Umpire. The first one is umpire, umbara, umpire. So which is correct? The correct one is the first one, umpire. So my dear children, here are correct answers: platform, airports, campaign, garbage, umpire. So here you all please read the words one by one: platform, airport, campaign, garbage, umbrella. Right? This is the first slide and the first activity in your paper. And in your next slide, you have the next activity, which is fill in the blanks by using there is, there are. So we have already studied the format there is and there are, right? So there is only used for singular and there are used for plural forms. So we are already very clear on this format, on this lesson, right? Actually, right? So here the first question: dash a shirt on the bed. Here the word, the noun, the subject, a shirt. So it is singular or plural? Yes, it is singular. So here we put there is. There is a shirt on the bed. Right? In your second question, dash two books on the floor. Two books. The subject is two books. Okay? The subject is two books. So this word is plural. So we put here there are. So the sentence is there are two books on the floor. Right? And the next question, dash a cat near the ball. Here the subject is a cat. Right? The subject is a cat. A cat is a singular word, right? A cat. So here also we put there is, right? And the next question, dash for pictures on the wall, right? Dash for pictures on the wall. Here, the subject is in this sentence is singular, sorry, plural, for pictures, plural form. So here we put there are. Okay, so the sentence says there are four pictures on the wall. Next question, dash some papers inside the bag. Dash some papers inside the bag. Here, the subject of this sentence is some pictures. So it is a plural form. So normally in plural form we put there are. So the sentence is there are some pictures inside the bag. Okay? Now, question number 6. Dash many books on the shelf. Dash many books on the shelf. Wait a minute. Okay. Dash many books on the shelf. Here, many books is the subject in this sentence. So, many books is plural form. That is why we put here there are. So there are many books on the shelf. There are many books on the shelf. Right? The next question, dash a pen near the pencil. So the subject of this sentence is a pen. A pen is singular, so we put here there is. And the next question, dash 5 marbles in the box. Here the subject of the sentence is 5 marbles. So it is a plural. So we put here there are. There are 5 marbles in the box. Question number 9. Dash an apple in the basket. So the subject of the sentence is apple. An apple. It is singular. So we put here there is an apple in the basket. The last question of this activity is dash a wooden chair in her school. So here the subject of the sentence is a wooden chair. A wooden chair is a singular word. So here we put there is a wooden chair in her school. So my dear children, my dear children, let's read the sentence from the first to the last. There is a shirt on the bed. There are 2 books on the floor. There is a cat near the ball. There are 4 pictures on the wall. There are some papers inside the bag. There are many books on the shelf. There is a pen near the pencil. There are 5 marbles in the box. There is an apple in the basket. There is a wooden chair in her school. Right? These are the activities in these questions. Now, I'm going to turn to next slide. There, we will have the next activity. The title of this activity is Name the Stages in the Life Cycle of a Butterfly. Right? This particular lesson we have studied in our school. The stages of a butterfly, the stages, the life cycle of a butterfly. So we have studied this lesson as a dialogue or story. In that lesson, we have studied about 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 stages of butterflies, 4 stages of life cycle of butterflies, right? So here we are going to identify the stages of butterflies life cycle and write it down in the blanks. You should write it down in the blanks. Here, the first one is, the first stage in the life cycle of butterfly is eggs, right? What is that? Eggs. Here, the picture we have here, what is it? Eggs. And this one, what is it? This is caterpillar. It is known as caterpillar. And here, it is known as cocoon. And the last stage in the life cycle of butterfly is butterfly. So, my dear children, let's check the answers. The first one is eggs. Second one is caterpillar. And the third one is cocoon. And the last one and the beautiful one and the last stage of butterfly's life cycles is butterfly, right? So eggs, caterpillar, cocoon, butterfly. It is very simple. Um, Eggs, caterpillar, cocoon, butterfly. These are the basic stage, basic four stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. So you all should know about this for your upgrade studies, right? Okay, right. Thank you. And here, let's read once again the first stage of butterfly, eggs, and the second one, caterpillar, third one, cocoon, fourth one, butterfly, right? Okay, my dear children, please make sure on the spelling also. EGGS, eggs, CATERPILLAR, caterpillar, cocoon, 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 butterfly, BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Okay, now this is the time to turn to next slide, and that slide also has the next activity is rearrange the words and make meaningful sentences. So the title of this activity, rearrange the words and make meaningful sentences. Here we have 5 questions, and each question has many words, and but the words are jungled. So you should first of all you should identify the first word. It means the subject. You should make sure on the subject first. So what you are going to do is, wherever you do the rearrange words, you should identify the subject of that sentence. So in this, the first question, there are is the starting word in this particular sentence. So there are 10 fingers in my hand. So right, yeah, this is the correct answer. There are 10 fingers in my hand. There are 10 fingers in my hand. So my dear children, here I have typed here hands, but here this, but okay, hands, because we have 2 hands, so altogether has 10 fingers. So there are 10 fingers in my hands, right? The next question, big a Mickey Brown has. Big a Mickey Brown has. So the answer is Mickey has a brown beak. Mickey has a brown beak. Here, the word Mickey is the subject of this sentence. So Mickey has a brown beak. Next question, leaves into, put, the, bin, the. So the correct answer, this is a request or instruction maybe. Put the leaves into the bin. Put the leaves into the bin. And now let's check the next answer. The question is she. The question has many words like she, library, burrow, goes to, book, to. So the correct answer is she goes to library to borrow a book. She goes to library to borrow a book. So she is the subject of this sentence. Next question. Weekend, I, beach, go, to, the, at. So the correct answer is I go to beach at the weekend. I go to beach at the weekend. So my dear children, let's read the correct answers. There are 10 fingers in my hands. Mickey has a brown beak. Put the leaves into the bin. She goes to library to borrow a book. I go to beach at the weekend. Okay, children, this is the time to turn to next slide. There we have the questions number 5. Question number 5. Here, categorize these words. So here we have 3 columns, right? Here we have 3 columns. The columns are titled by the words family members, garden tools, and places. So here, here are some words we have: shovel, post office, library, father, rake, hoe, mother, airport, garden fork, sister, equal broom, brother, church, baby brother, hospital. So we are going to categorize the words. The first word, shovel. Shovel is a family members or garden tools. Which one? Yeah, shovel is a garden tools, right? So shovel is a garden tools. The next word, post office. Post office is a place. Library also a place. Next word is father. Father is a family member. Father is a family member. And the next word is rake. Rake is a garden tools. And the next one also a garden tool, hoe. The next word, mother. Mother is a member of family. And the next one, airport is a place. Garden fork, yeah, garden fork is a garden tool. Sister is a person of a family. Equal broom, the last word of garden tools. Brother is also a member of family. And church is a place. Baby brother is the last word for family members. And the last word is hospital, to places. So family members in that column, family members, father, mother, sister, brother, baby brother. Garden tools, shovel, rake, hoe, garden fork, eagle broom. And the last column, for places, post office, library, airport, church, hospital. So these are the words we have categorized here. So my dear children, please make sure on your answers whether it is correct or not. If your answer is wrong, please cut it down and write the correct answer on that place. Okay, please replace your correct answers. Next one, the next slide shows you the next question. Color the rhyming words of lap. Here, you should identify the rhyming word for lap. So, lap, L-A-P, lap. So, rhyming words mean the same pronunciation. It is not depend on the spelling. It is depend on the pronunciation. So, lap. Say the word lap. So, you should relate the words to their pronunciation, not the spelling, right? So, lap. Lap. The correct answers. Yeah, hap. Lap, hap. Yes, same pronunciation. And tap. Lap, tap. Yes, same pronunciation. Strap. Yes, lap, strap. Same pronunciation. And wrap. Lap, wrap. It is also same pronunciation. Nap. Lap, nap. Yes, same pronunciation. Lap, map. Yes, it is same pronunciation. The rhyming word. And sap. Lap, sap. Yes. Lap, cap. Lap, clap. Lap, trap. Right. That's all. So let's check the answers. Hap, tap, strap, wrap, clap, nap, map, trap, cap, sap. These are the rhyming words of lap. Right here, I have underlined the word, but you should color the cloud, right? You can use the color which whatever you like. So these are the answers for these questions. Now in your next slide, fill in the blanks. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words, 10 parts of the body, right? 10 parts here we have. You should categorize the parts as singular as plural, right? So in singular, for singular, we use the formation, this is mine. And for plural, we use these are mine. So we have studied this already in school. So my dear children, please go through your book before doing this. And now let's categorize the words, the correct words. The first one is shoulders. Shoulders is plural word. So the formation of the sentence is, these are my shoulders. And the next word is nose. Nose is a singular word. So this is my nose. Next word is ears. These are my ears. Ears is a plural word. So these are my ears. Ears. The next word is tooth. Tooth is a singular word. So this is my tooth. Mouth. Mouth is also singular word. So the sentence is, this is my mouth. Arms. Arms is a plural word. So these are my arms. Toe. Toe is a singular word. So this is my toe. Legs. Legs is a plural word, so these are my legs. Head. Head is always a singular word, so this is my head. Elbows. Elbows is a plural word, so these are my elbows. So the sentence, this is my nose, this is my tooth, this is my mouth, this is my toe, this is my head. These are my shoulders, these are my ears, these are my arms, these are my legs, these are my elbows. So please make sure on your answers and their spellings, right? The spelling and the pronunciation is the must in English. And the last activity, I think, yes, the last activity which we have in our paper is write 5 sentences about your school. Write 5 sentences about your school, right? Here, my dear children, at the last class we have written about yourself, and here we are going to write about our school. So these two topics are very important in grade 3 and grade 4 and grade 5 and also grade 6 and 7. So please make sure about these two, myself and also my school, right? So my dear children, let's write the sentences to this topic. So here the first sentence should be introduce your school, right? So here, right, the first point for this topic, my school is Mullaitivu Sri Subramaniya Vidyasalai. So here you should write your school name. What is your school name? Where do you study? My school is Mullaitivu Sri Subramaniya Vidyasalai. Right? The next answer, it is in Mullaitivu. You should point out the place. Where is it located? It is in Mullaitivu. And the next point for this topic, there are big buildings, playground, library, prayer hall, and smart classrooms. Here you can note your facilities, which um, you have in your school. So facilities means facilities means advantages like playground, library, prayer hall, and big buildings. So here um, you should note the facilities of your school which you have in your school, right? So here I put the sentence, there are big buildings, playground, library, prayer hall, and smart classrooms, right? The next point for you, the playground of our school is very large and beautiful. So here specifically you should modify your one of the place of your school, like a playground or library or canteen, whatever you like, you can describe that place. The playground of our school is very large and beautiful. Here I described about our playground. So the playground of our school is very large and beautiful. If you like to describe the place, library, you here also you describe the place. The library of our school is very large and there are many books. Like that you can describe the places which you like in your school. The playground of our school is very large and beautiful. The teachers of our school are very kind and helpful to us, right? My God. The teachers of our school are very kind and helpful to us. The next one, wait a minute. Okay. Next point for you. The principal of our school is very friendly man. So here you can describe about your principal and teachers. And my school is one of the best schools with all the facilities of education. The last point for you, I'm proud of my school, or I love my school, or I like my school. So my school, write about this five sentences about your school. My school is Mullaitivu Sri Subramaniya Vidyasalai. It is in Mullaitivu. There are big buildings, a playground, library, prayer hall, and smart classroom. The playground of our school is very large and beautiful. The teachers of my our school are very kind and helpful to us. The principal of our school is very friendly man. My school is one of the best schools with all the facilities of education. I am proud of my school. So, my dear children, these are the things in our paper we have. So, these that was my presentation I have prepared for you for this today's class. So, my dear children, um, from here I'm going to leave, and I wish you all the very best to do the smart English classroom in Zoom through the Zoom. Right? So, I wish you all the very best and thank you for joining me. We will meet next class on Monday. Till then, you all take care and have a great day. Thank you. Thank you very much.